Today we're gonna make the simplest macrame wall hanging that there really is. The only knot we're using is the lark's head knot. I'm gonna step you through how to do that. Even if you don't think you have a crafty bone in your body, I'm pretty sure you can make this wall hanging. I don't know that we can call this macrame today because I'm actually using wool instead of macrame cord. I already made one of these in black with Bernat Softy Chunky wool. I made another one in cream with Bernat Wool Up wool. Today I'm using Lion's brand woolies in gray marble. So let's pick our dowel. Driftwood is my favorite kind of dowel, and I feel blessed that I live in BC in Canada. It's so beautiful here. Here's some imagery going up to the beach of one of my favorite places to get driftwood, which is in Tofino in British Columbia. If you don't have access to driftwood, no problem. You could just use wooden dowels from the hardware store. You could probably find something at the dollar store. You could use a bronze rod. Now let's cut our lengths of wool. We're gonna cut 36-inch lengths. And the easiest way I find to do this is to put your wool in a bowl. That way it doesn't roll all over the place when you're cutting your lengths. We're gonna cut 35 lengths at 36 inches each. Split the 35 cords into 5 bundles of 7 pieces. Take your first bundle of 7 cords, align them evenly at one end, fold the bundle in half evenly, attach the bundle to the dowel by bringing the ends behind the dowel, over the top, in front, and through the loop. And pull that snug. Do the same thing with the remaining 4 bundles. Trim the ends how you like. If you want to learn the knot that I use to hang my wall hangings, then watch this tutorial next.